You need to know how to use the dot product before attempting this. If you don't know how to do it, video is linked in the description. You need to know what the formula is. In most situations, you aren't giving this in your formula book. However, it's not too difficult to remember. So cos theta would equal A dot B divided by the magnitude of A and the magnitude of B. So let's first do the dot product. So let's use the dot. So A dot B would be the same as A1 B1 plus A2 B2. So you're going to get 1 and 1 because in front of the i's there is nothing, so it is just an integer, plus 1 and minus 3. So that means 1 minus 3 equals minus 2. So that there is our numerator. We've just calculated that. So now let's find out what the magnitude of A is. So that is the same as doing the integer value or the coefficient before I and the coefficient before j, both squared individually and the square root of that. So I is 1 squared and there is a 1 squared, all square rooted. So that is going to be the square root of 2. Let's now do the magnitude of B. So that's going to be 1 squared plus minus 3 squared. And as you can see, I've carefully used brackets there, which is going to be the square root of 10. We now can simplify this. We can plug it in to here. So we're going to do cos theta would be minus 2 over the square root of square root 10 times square root 2 is square root 20, which is the same as minus 1 over root 5. So we need to now find out what theta is, the angle, the whole point of this. So theta would be cos to the minus 1 over root 5. So that's going to roughly equal 116.57 degrees once you plug it into your calculator.